We could have cut the whole hay meadow, but we're providing additional niches and additional space. And this is part of our attempt to provide the best possible resource we can for wildlife for the future. It's probably a heath spotted orchid or common spotted orchid, but by not cutting here, this has been allowed to go through its life cycle fully. So we've now got these little brown pods of seeds which can then distribute across the grassland and produce more orchids for the future.
Nature has the ability to ease a lot of the problems that we face, whether that's problems brought about by climate change, flooding that we see a lot of in this part of Wales, the way that we work to sort of plant trees to manage the land, things like leaky dams that allow water to move through the landscape. These are natural solutions where we can work with nature and it can help ease our problems. Similarly, issues of sort of mental health, being able to get out in nature and connect with wildlife is really good and something that we really urgently need right now. Caplor have really helped Gwent Wildlife Trust in a lot of ways. The main ways I draw out was firstly with the workshops and the sessions that they've facilitated for us, bringing everybody across the organisation together to look at all the things that we're doing and all the things that we need to do, and to bring it together in a really coherent strategy that we all understand, everybody playing their part, understanding what their role is within the organisation, but bringing us together around that central goal.